everybody! So we're going to be troubleshooting some Lumi problems today. The first problem that we're going to look at is not a problem. We're going to be replacing the Lumi batteries. So the first step, if your Lumi light isn't working, is just to change the batteries. So what we want to do for that is actually take the light unit out of its product, open up the casing, so you just take this little black ring off, pop it open, and you'll find it easiest to take the batteries out by coming through the other side here. So I'm just going to press down. They come out there. Then you take your new batteries, four of those, and you want to place them with this flat side here, the positive side, down. So you have this rounded top facing the light. You place them just one at a time. Make sure they're all the right way around. And I find it easiest to slide that last battery in by sliding that one up and then slipping it in here. You can see now the light unit is working absolutely fine. Casing back on. Rubber ring back on. And you're good to put it back in your product.